Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet an easy bobble pillow. So let's get started. To make this bobble pillow cover, I'm working with Bernat chunky yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. So your foundation chain should be as wide as your pillow from one side to the other. Okay, I have my foundation chain, and now I'm going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Now make a double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've made a double crochet in each stitch all the way across my foundation row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. This stitch takes the place of the first stitch, so start here, single crochet in the first 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to make a bobble stitch in the next stitch, so yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Now pick up the yarn and pull it through 2. Do that 2 more times. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. 1 more time, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through 2. You will have 4 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through all 4 loops on the hook, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So it's 1, 2, and 3. And that will have formed your first bobble stitch. And now I'm going to make a bobble stitch in the next stitch, so yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. I'm going to do that 2 more times in the same stitch. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull the yarn through, and pick up the yarn and pull it through 2. 1 more time, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. You will have 4 loops on your hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 4 loops. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to repeat that all the way across the row, and you'll be forming these bobble stitches. So repeat all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, you're going to single crochet in the last 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's my first row of bobbles. So now I'm going to chain 2 and turn, and that chain 2 takes the place of the first stitch, so I'm going to double crochet in the next stitch, and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So double crochet in each stitch. When you reach a bobble, the stitch is that 1 stitch at the very top, so double crochet. You'll have the same number of stitches across the row in every row. So now for the remainder of the pillow cover, you're simply going to repeat these 2 rows. 1 row of double crochet, 1 row of bobble, 1 row of double crochet, 1 row of bobble. And you just continue to repeat those 2 rows until you have a square like this that is as large as your pillow. And for the back, you can just work a row of double and a row of single, double single without any bobbles, or you can make another section exactly the same and have bobbles on both sides of the pillow. And when you have both sections made, sew the 2 together by sewing down one side across the bottom and up the other side, and then slide your pillow in through the top and sew the top closed. And that's how easy it is to make this bobble pillow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.